It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day for some neighbors. John the Pecker's neighborhood. What? I don't play in my neighborhood, folks. Holy shit, man. Wait till they start rapping. COVID scrapping, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta get my truck loaded full of metal. End of the friggin' scrapping metal with John the Picker, ladies and gentlemen. We gotta get the truck loaded full of metal. See, I told you I had about a ton. Holy shit. I didn't know about this kinds. Oh yeah, I even got a satellite dish I picked up the other day and everything in there. All aluminum. What? Whole shitload of aluminum. Yep, I gotta get some of this loaded up. Get it out of my friggin' yard before people see it. They could probably see it with a helicopter. Google Maps is picking this shit up. I had to get this loaded up in my truck. Ski. Oh yeah. We got a bunch of wire and everything. Went to a garage sale for 25 bucks. I scored this up the other day. $25. A whole thing full of wire. I was dragging it out. Some guy had to help me load it in the friggin' truck. Holy shit. Look at it all. The whole bucket's full all the way down to the bottom. There's got to be over 50 pounds of copper in there. 25 bucks. Yep, I got to get this shit loaded up before they close the scrap yards down or something. You never know. There we go. I got some shit loaded up in the truck, ladies and gentlemen. Not a whole lot, but something. Grill, dryer, stove. A bunch of random ass pieces of scrap metal. We're gonna take it up there, see what we get today. Oh yeah, scrapping during the COVID-19 protest shit. Let's see what we get today. There's a freaking scrap prices should be going up soon. I don't see what the hell is going on. Just keep going down sometimes, and sometimes they go up. I don't know. Not too sure how the scrap shit works these days. John the Picker, I'm get back in with you when we get to the scrap yard. Alright, we're at the friggin' scrap yard. We almost got a flat tire reset already before I even start today. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Scrap City. Where do I throw this crap off today? I'm gonna try to back right up right where he's at today. Shitload of scrap metals. Back up in there somehow. There's the dryer. Scrappy. Scrappy. I get to see me sit on my seat. Oh yeah. What the frig is that? Air compressor or something. Alright. Figure is out of here. We gotta get our dead weight. current tin prices in the Pickerhead, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody was telling me it was $30 a net ton. It's $50. Holy shit, we got $19.50, which is better than nothing for a pile of metal I had in the backyard. Yep, 780 pounds. We'll be scrapping some more. Tune in to John the Picker. We'll see what some other metals are worth. COVID-19 scrapping. $50. It was $100 before the COVID hit. And then I guess it dropped down to like 20 and then 30 and then now 50. Oh yeah. At least it's going back up. Michigan scrap prices. Shouts out to everybody on YouTube. Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing the brakes on the old G6. Look at the brake pad from the...
Don't judge me.
The last one, eh? Holy shit. I imagine the brake pad's supposed to look like that. I already got the friggin' stuff off, painted it black. We're gonna friggin' throw the calipers and the brake pads back on there. What? Unfriggin' real. Yep, the whole friggin' tire over here is locking up. Now I got new calipers, brake pads, and rotors. Caliper. And just like that. Emergency brake cable. 2 bolts. Actually, there's like 4. One right there for the friggin' brake line. Maybe 3 or 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holy shit, man. What? I gotta get these back on. Look at that beast. What? Oh, that's nice. It's way nicer than the old one. Hold on, I still got the old rotor. I'll show you that. It's over here, ski. The old rotor is right back here with the scrap metals. The scrap metals I've been digging out of the garbage. There's one rotor. That one looks alright. That ain't the one that was sticking. Here's the rotor that was sticking. See the difference? What? She definitely needed some brakes. Look at the other side of it where it was screeching. If you can imagine what that is. Look at how much metal it took off. Holy shit. Yep, let's get this brakes on here. Unreal. Alright, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, look what we got going on today. We got the bar countertop here. We're going to do it in this stuff. Pacific Knotty Cedar Planking. Meow meow! What do you think of that, meow meow? It's got a little light on there, don't it? Yeah, we should make the bar look good with that. Not only do we got that, we got this beast. You gotta cut it somehow. Comes with a bag and a saw blade, Ryobi. That would be pretty nice. Who cut the X in my box? Looked like I dug it out the dumpster. Out the doomster. I didn't do that. Unboxing the Ryobi Saw. I think this is the second saw I've unboxed on the show. What? I don't know if they were both Ryobis or not, but Ryobi tools. Oh, look what we got here first in line. Nice little Ryobi bag for the saw. That's cool. Oh shit. I already used this stuff. Oh, come on. What? Looks like it did on the shelf. I like the clear plastic here so I can see what's going on. I like that. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I want to say 10 pounds maybe. Maybe a 10-pound saw right there. Ryobi. What else we got in here? Instructions. And they put a saw blade in there for us. What? Little saw blade. And we got a little tool. Oh yeah. There's the little shits. Ryobi, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to put my saw blade on and start cutting these boards and hang them up and see what it looks like. What? There's the boards. There's the before. Ready for the after. Alright, I can't really cut a board and hold the saw and the camera at the same time, so... She runs. Runs like a champ. What? Nice, the dog just got freaked out. She's gone. She is gone. Oh yeah, Ryobis. She's got a little laser. That's cool. Little laser on there. Hells yeah. Feels a little tight. It's grinding or something, but I don't know. Oh yeah, Ryobi's in the house. I gotta get to cutting this planking. Some good smelling stuff. Cedar. Cedar. Contains 6 pieces. Alright, let's get this up. Alright, and there's what that stuff looks like up there. What? Not too bad. Not too friggin' bad. Likes it. Gotta finish going around. And then I'm gonna put a piece up this way, a piece up this way, hide all them little, hide everything, hide this little seam right here. Alright. Gotta hide the seam, get a new countertop. That should be interesting. Alright.